In this lecture, we're going to get a look at the Printful.com, who will be our product supplier and handle all of our order fulfillment. The Printful.com does custom printing for multiple products, including t-shirts, mugs, framed canvas, and many more. One of the great things about the Printful is that they're a print-on-demand service, meaning that after you make a sale and tell them to, they'll print your product and send it wherever you'd like. They are a drop shipping company, which means that they handle order fulfillment. You tell them where to ship the product and they'll ship it there. A great thing about Printful is they offer worldwide shipping. They offer a bunch of different solutions, meaning that you can serve a very wide range of customers. Without a doubt, the key factor behind why Printful is the best print-on-demand t-shirt supplier is their platform integration. They can integrate with many e-commerce platforms, making it even easier for you to run your online business.